Hi everyone, today we are at Glencoe Lochan, which is absolutely stunning. As you can see, the trees behind me and the way this is all done it's just absolutely splendid. But there is a little bit of history behind this. I can't really remember. I think it's what was it? Charles, where's Charles? I'm going to get Charles to just explain. Now, I did introduce Charles yesterday. I'd like to introduce to you a really good friend, Charles over here.
Hey!
And he's a chap that does all this time-lapse stuff. I mean, it's beyond here, and the stuff that he uses and the way he creates his stuff, but most of all, the passion that this guy has is something I really recommend checking his work out, and I am going to put a link to his work down below so you can have a look. Charles is actually here with us. So, Charles, before we do start, what was it about this
area?
That's the one.
Yeah. The sign down at the front before the pathways said that this place was built by Lord Strathclyde for his Canadian wife. And the other thing I noted is that a lot of these pines are actually North American pines, so he must have brought them in. I'm thinking it was probably a real lake, but it's been all sculpted and made beautiful, and this open forest is absolutely fantastic for shooting.
It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can see the way the light goes, and Charles is actually doing a time-lapse video right now as we speak. He's just holding his iPad and he's just doing all his stuff, so he's controlling it all remotely with his cameras and stuff.
Oops.
So that's what it is doing right at the minute. It's going to take how long again?
3 hours.
So about 3 hours until about sunset. We've timed it so just before sunset, about 8 o'clock, it should hit the mountain, and then we're going to start packing up because we're actually here to do a Milky Way at night, which we're going to, well, I'm going to try to attempt it because obviously I'm no genius doing that stuff, but Charles is going to get something fantastic from there. We're going to go to the other side of the loch, sorry guys, the other side of the loch, so we'll hopefully get the reflection. And again, I will put all the links to all this video over here.
I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
I've got this shot over here which I really want to show you and what I'm doing with it. Been waiting around for someone like this for a while now. We missed the sun earlier on, but as you can see up here, you get this absolutely amazing composition just there, and you can see I'm shooting in at 24mm. What I'm basically doing for this shot is I'm using 24-70 and I'm on, so another look, what am I, f11 and 15th of a second, ISO 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 shot bracket I'm doing, and it sounds a little somewhat like this. So 2-second timer. We can go through the images. That's the brightest one there, darker, just to get all the shadows and all the details. Brings back the sky as well for me, and then all the highlights and the shadows are all taken care of, and I think that's going to make a cracking image. Somewhat different to what I do. I have done something similar once before when I was up here in Scotland, but not as good as what I'm getting in this woodlands over here. Absolutely stunning, no filter, just literally pointing up, looking at all the colors, the textures, the light, the shadow, and the way everything's working, and it's stunning. Love it. Whew. So this place is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely loving this forest. Not forest, sorry, this Glencoe Lochan. Definitely would definitely come back. Definitely would definitely come back. Yeah, double definite. That means I'm really coming back again. So I'm waiting for the waters to come just behind me. And what I really want is a nice reflection of some of the stuff in the background, the trees, and there's loads of compositions to be had. So what the guys have done, obviously, when they made it, is there's loads of these jetty things that they've got here, purposely built, obviously, for, you know, visitors to come and have a look and enjoy it. There's a few ducks here and there, and that's about it really. But it's very calm. There's not a lot of wildlife going on. Can't see any squirrels and stuff like that wandering about. Maybe they'll be out in a bit, I don't know. But we are here for a while, so we'll see as we go along. Whoa! But it's fascinating how some of the side of this is all brown, and then some of it behind me you can see is brown. Then when you get over to this side, it's all so green. And I'm not sure if you can see that behind me over here. It's amazing. It's absolutely stunning. But there's just so much to do. I'm waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more, which is going to be in front of me in the shot. I'm going to take a long shot coming down. There's a mountain right in front of us, and I don't know its name. It's got a bit of snow on the top, and I think that'll make a really nice shot. Reflection. Then I'm going to walk around and get some reflections on the other side when it calms down a bit. The wind seems to have picked up for some reason, even though there's nothing, there's no breeze. I can't really feel it, but it has done from earlier on, which just means a slightly longer exposure than I would have hoped for during the day. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens. The plan was to go somewhere else, but as we came here, we were just overwhelmed by its beauty, and it's really, really good. I'm gonna keep walking about. If that isn't beautiful, I really don't know what is. See, told you. So what I'm going to do right now is, as you just saw in those trees over here, the light is working just as I wanted it to. I was waiting for that. It's not as calm as I want it to be, but I'll see what I can know. So I'm going to go around to the other side, and I'm going to try and get a reflection of them trees in the water. I'm going to do a long exposure and see how that works. So I'm going to leg it before the sun starts hiding behind those trees. Now I'm sorry if I'm probably pointing to the wrong places. I'm actually using the Canon M6, so I cannot see the screen and what I'm doing really. The M25 I'm saving, the M25, the M50 I'm saving for a time lapse I'm going to do overnight of the Milky Way, and I need the batteries. It takes about one battery to do about 900 images, give or take. So we'll see how it goes. And then no, I'm not doing that. Sorry, I'm doing the time lapse on the 1DX. And I'm doing the Milky Way shots. I'm going to move around with the M50. So I'm saving the full battery of the 1DX, which I'm going to take one shot or a few shots here and see what I can get there later on. Okay, I'm going to move. See ya. Whew. Right, let's go. So what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to put the camera down, walk past it, come back again, walk again, simply because it's all heavy and stuff. Tell you what I am upset about is that I don't know how I managed to rip the bag. If you have a look at the f-stop bag, see that? Ripped. Don't have a handle anymore. It's been under a year. It's been a couple of months since I had this bag. So let's hope that they have some sort of warranty or something. After you pay the kind of money I paid for this, you are expecting to be looked after. I'm going to email them, send them some snaps, see what they say. For now, I'm going to grab this shot. So the sun's nearly setting now. It's gone beyond the other side of the mountain, and we've got the pop of Glencoe just lit up on the top, and the one just behind us on that side, which I'm not quite sure the name of it. Come over to this side of the lake where we're going to set up for the Milky Way, because the Milky Way should be rising from where the tree line comes down to, and then coming across to where the moon is, and it's in its third phase, I think, and it just faded away there, so it won't be visible for long. So I am going to do the time lapse on the 1DX2, and then I'm going to see if I can just walk about and take some shots with the Canon M50 and see how it performs. But it's been a really good trip. It's been a really good day. I mean, this midges, yeah, with everyone. I've got the mosquito thing on, but I'm just sitting here and taking it all in. It's absolutely stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so calm and so peaceful, and you can just hear all the birds and nature and whatnot. The colour in the sky is spectacular. It's really, really nice, and I'm looking forward to getting back home actually and start editing the images. Now we have got Edinburgh to go over the next 2 days. We're going to be there from tomorrow onwards. So I'm not really got a lot planned for Edinburgh, so I think I might be cutting this off over here. So if that's the case, then yeah, well, it was good. It was an enjoyable trip. We absolutely loved it, and thanks for tuning in, obviously, and I really do appreciate all the support. I'm getting up to my subscriber numbers are getting up, and watch hours need to come up a little bit, so get watching, guys. Binge watch if you have to. So yeah, guys, if it's been a pleasure, it's been an honor. Once again, I love the journey. Thank you, Ali. Special thank you to you for obviously organizing this and allowing me to come along with you. Thank you, Otto, for being such a great support and a great pal. And obviously, thanks to you, Charles, once again, for showing me a lot of tips and tricks and sharing a lot of your knowledge with me. I really, really appreciate that. Top bloke. It's a top trip from everybody. The reason I probably won't be doing all this in Edinburgh is because it's so busy and so rushed that you may not get a chance. I don't know, I'll see. I'll see. But I love you and leave you guys. If you did enjoy that and you do enjoy my content, please show your support by subscribing to my channel, and also do click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can actually get notifications of new updates. And at the minute they are kind of random, which I do apologize. I try to do them every Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday. But it doesn't always happen. I am slowly but surely getting there. I keep looking around because of all these midges. That's what it is. Yeah, so until next time, guys, comments, feedback, anything in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Till then, God bless. Take care.